and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we have an animal-inspired arm workout. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get on the floor, grab a mat, and let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so our first move today is going to be crab push-ups. So if you guys need to stretch out your wrists, go ahead, pause the video and do that. But if you don't, let's go ahead and come over into a reverse tabletop position. Go ahead and let's go ahead and come up, and we have 30 seconds of crab push-ups here. This move really works on our triceps here, and this move is inspired by the crab. If y'all haven't seen our animal inspired cardio workout video, go ahead and check that out because we do some other crab moves in this type of position. Keep going, just 30 seconds here. Y'all got this. Keep it up, keep it up. And down and up, and down and up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, our next move is going to be downward dog push-ups. So let's go ahead and come up into a downward dog position here. All right, and we are going to be doing 30 seconds of push-ups here, so keep it going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we are going to be coming down into Cobra Pushups. Let's go ahead and roll down and come up into a Cobra type of position. And we're going to be doing Cobra Pushups here. So for 30 seconds, so when we come up, and then we're coming back down. So these are really working our triceps here. Keep those elbows close into your body. So as you can see, we're not coming up all the way up into Cobra, just about halfway, lifting here. Keep those elbows in close to your body and lift up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're going to be doing 30 seconds of scorpion push-ups with our left leg coming back. So let me just go ahead and show you. So we're going to come up and lift that left leg. It's going to come back behind us, and then we're going to come back down. So we got 30 seconds of this move here. So we're lifting up and twisting that left leg back behind us. If this move is too advanced for you guys, you can just stay in those Cobra push-ups. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we're going to be doing the scorpion push-ups with our right leg coming over. So we're going to roll up, tap that right leg over on that other side, and come right back down. So as you can see, we are lifting with our triceps here. So we're lifting and rolling over and coming back down. Lift and roll over and come back down. If you can, try and tap that right foot back behind you, but if you can't tap it on the ground and you just lift it up, that is fine as well. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, our next move is going to be lizard plank switches with our legs. So let's go ahead and come up into plank on our hands and our feet here. And we just have 30 seconds of walking your feet up here to meet your hands. So we are holding plank here, so this is working on our shoulders here. So we just have 30 seconds of this. And we're just walking it. So hold and switch. And hold and switch. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give those wrists a quick shake here and a little break, because next we are going to come back up into our lizard plank here. And I will show you guys first what the example looks like. So coming back up onto our hands and knees, bring your leg up, and you're just gonna reach your hand on the outside of your foot and then bring it back and come out. So we just have 30 seconds of this. If this move is too advanced for you guys, you can always just stay with those lizard plank switches. And y'all got this. This is our last move, y'all. Keep it up, just 30 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm so proud of all of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe as well. I look forward to seeing you all next time, and have a great week. Bye.